how to use the new interactive projectors. So this is the pen that comes with it. There are actually two. You can tell which pen you're using because the mark on here is blue. There's either a blue one or a yellow one. First off, you turn the projector on, and when you do, it should project whatever is on your computer screen. The first time you touch the pen to the board or even get it close, you'll get a menu that comes up. Most likely it's going to be this symbol, which if you can tell, it's a computer with a mouse. And that means that anything that I click with the pen will come up on the board. So this pen acts just like the mouse. Okay, if I want to go see the school sites, I click on it and it'll take me to the school sites. So whenever this little button is showing the computer with the mouse, this is the pen. The pen is acting like the mouse. If you click on the other button, it has a projector with the pen. This is how you're going to annotate over things that are on the board. So if you notice right here and on this side, menu bars come up and along the bottom. So we're going to click on that, and this will tell you what you can choose for your pen to look like when you write. This first one is a colored line. If you drop down, click the drop down, you have choices of line width and line color. So you can make a really fat line of any of these colors, and you can draw right on whatever you're projecting. So if you're trying to highlight something, you want the kids to see it, you can do it that way. The next thing is a highlighter. Same thing, if you click the drop down, you can change the width. So if you want it very thin, you can change whatever color you want, and then you can highlight. Okay? I probably would choose something a little bit thicker if that's what I was using the tool for. These are simple, kind of like quick buttons. So if you want a thin black line, you just have to click that and you'll get a thin black line. If you want a thick red line, you can click this and it'll give you a thick red line. Also notice down here, there's the yellow pen and the blue pen. I'm using the blue pen, so it's showing you that right now the blue pen is red. The yellow pen, which is on the desk, whoops, lost my menu. The yellow pen, which is on the desk, is currently black. If I wanted a thin blue line, click here. So these are just real quick to just choose a pen color and a thickness. This is the eraser. Just like the pen, you can have a thin eraser. So if I choose the thin eraser, it erases thin. If I choose the thick eraser, then you can erase bigger pieces at one time. More importantly, if you click on this button here, this button will clear all of the annotations that you created. So if I click yes, everything that I did is gone. This will then close that. Also, if you want to go back to your mouse, you can do it quickly by clicking on this button here, and then it becomes the mouse again, and it takes you to another website. Down here, the only button that you really want to worry about here is this one, and that's a timer. If you'd like to set a timer, you can set the timer to count down or count up. And then once you press start, here's the volume. It'll run. And then you can close it down, you can move it. Well, I guess maybe you can't move it. I thought you could. But anyway, it's right here. So it's a built-in timer. Other than that, I wouldn't worry anything about these buttons. So that's it. That's all you need to know about using your interactive projector.